Hey guys, so this is the first step in making our deep fried tacos or taco samosas. And this is 2 pounds of turkey, so I'm going to ground it up, get it ground up and seasoned and ready to go. First, before putting the taco seasoning in, I'm going to season it a little bit with carne asada seasoning. And this is about a half of a teaspoon, well, a teaspoon. Teaspoon of carne asada. It's not coming out fast, as you can see. So, a teaspoon of carne asada seasoning. And it helps with this turkey. Turkey is, you know, harder to season than beef, so I don't like that turkey taste, that, you know, fresh turkey taste. So I like to season mine pretty good. And that carne asada seasoning helps it out a lot. Alright guys, so you're going to add 2 packs of taco seasoning because it's 2 pounds of meat. And then put in there however much water that the taco seasoning packs call for. Get it all mixed up and I'll be back. Alright, into this mixture you want to go ahead and add a half a block of cream cheese, a half to 1 cup of cheese depending on how much you like, and then a half a cup to 1 cup of salsa, chunky salsa, and that's depending on how much you like to. Here I have some Pico De Gallo, my own version of it. I have chopped up tomatoes, onions, and green onion, and then this is cilantro. You can mix it all together if you want to. Not everybody in my family likes it all mixed up like I do, so I leave it separate. You can also chop up some or shred up some lettuce and have on the side too, and also make sure if you like sour cream and some taco sauce and corn, sweet corn. We like sweet corn, so have those things on the side ready for when your samosas get ready. Alright guys, so for the shelling part you can have flour tortillas, and I have here 2 sizes. I have the 20 count, and this is the small fajita size. And then also, I have the flour tortillas that are the soft taco size, which is also the size you use for quesadillas. For the small fajita size, what I did was just place one on a plate, and I put some meat right kind of off-centered so that I would be able to fold it evenly over like that. Now, some people put a little, or makes a paste out of flour and water or cornstarch and water. I opted not to do that, more time consuming, and I'm just going to close mine this way. I've already started using it, so that's just taco meat, y'all. The fork ain't dirty. I've already started making some. So what you do is, just like for pies, you know, the edging on a pie, you just go ahead and close it like this with a fork. Make deep indentions down in there. So you're going to do that all the way around. You kind of press it down to make sure that it's closed, because you don't want anything seeping out into your hot oil. That'll make it splatter everywhere and splatter on you, get you all popped up. So do it like that, and you turn it over and do it the same way on this side, and it seals it down. Got a little bit of juice on that one. I filled it up too much. Alright, so you can do it either way. You can use the paste method of the cornstarch and water, or flour and water, or just close it down this way. And excuse that, like I said, I just put too much filling in. Alright, and with this size, you can go ahead, and this is the soft taco, the taco size, which is basically a quesadilla size, or it may say burrito on your packet, but anyway, you just cut it in half. And a lot of people make them like this. I prefer the small fajita size. That way you don't have too much dough, or you know, this right here, the tortilla, because a lot of people make them like this. They fold it over and then they fold it over again, but then that's 3 layers of taco, you know, 3 layers of tortillas. To me, it's a little bit of a waste, you know, for this to be in there. So, but anyway, a lot of people do it like that. So I'm going to show you how to do it like that. Okay, you fold it over to the halfway point, and then you fold it over like that. So it's going to be an opening like that. And of course, there'll be a little bit of an opening there. What you want to do is, and this is what I do, you just crimp it down with that fork, just like that. Close that up. And I'm going to put some filling in there. Okay, I've put the filling in, and I'm going to go ahead and crimp down. As usual, I put a little too much in there. I like a lot of meat in mine, but you're not supposed to fill it that much. Y'all make sure y'all do better than I do. And you just go ahead and close it on the other side. And there you go. So you can either have this size or this size. One more option, you can cut this in half. Put you some filling in there, just a little bit, and crimp the edges like that also to have some mini ones like that. That way you're not wasting any of the tortilla shell. And then crimp the same way. One tip is to push down and slide it off. You don't always have to try to pick it up. Sometimes it gets a little stuck because it's in between the flour. So either way, that's easiest for you, but I find it easy to push, slide, push, slide. It goes faster. And then you're going to flip it over, of course, and do the other side. Looks like the edge of a paper plate. All right, guys, you're going to have your grease getting hot while you're making these, of course. And you just want to go ahead and put 2 of them in there. They don't take long at all. You have your grease hot. They only take a few seconds on each side. Just that quick. Some people like them darker, some not so much. You want to have paper toweling on a plate or aluminum, just like this, waiting so that the grease can drain. Get the other one out, golden brown. Put it on the paper toweling. Then you want to go ahead and you just keep going. Ow! Caught myself. You can make as many of these as you want to. You could probably go ahead and freeze some. If you make a whole lot, you can freeze them and then maybe defrost them at a certain time, like if you're real busy and you didn't get a chance to cook but everybody's hungry. You could have these frozen and then just defrost them for like a minute or 2, then maybe put some in the oven or just microwave them. But if you want them kind of crisp, I would put them in the oven for a few minutes. And you got you a quick little dinner or quick little snack. And you keep going. And here are the samosas all dressed and ready. I'm going to take a bite of this one right here. It's calling my name. That is good. Delicious. If you make them, let me know how you like them. All right, please share on your Facebook and social media platforms. I know you have friends and family that would love to see this. Also, subscribe and hit that like button. Hit the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you'll be able to see it right away. Thanks, guys. Bye.